with a first video of Cameron Beyblades. We will be doing a versus match. We will be doing Blizzard versus Spryzen. Okay, let's see how this is gonna turn out. Got it. We're gonna retry that because that was a little bit unfair. Okay. Okay. Blizzard won. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1, let it. Let me get it again. Okay. Well, Blizzard won. Let me fix this. Okay. This is the last battle. Spryzen versus Blizzard. 3, 2, 1, So, Spryzen has 1 and Blizzard has 2. Okay. Okay. Oh! Did you guys just see that? Yo! He literally just put Blizzard in the corner. And he hopped out of there. That was awesome. That was awesome. I can't believe it. Let's try. We're gonna do that again. Okay. It goes up to 3. So Blizzard has 2, and Spryzen has 3. Wait, give me a sec. So let's try this again. Okay, so this will decide it all. If Blizzard gets 2, he wins. If Spryzen gets 1, then Blizzard loses and Spryzen wins. Who wins? Blizzard wins. Okay, let's do this again. 3, 2, 1, let it. Well, Spryzen wins, cause he hit Blizzard at the stadium. So that means Spryzen wins. Yeah. But for all you Blizzard fans out there, let's do another battle. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Got the stadium in the middle so that you guys can get a shot. Blizzard goes to the middle. And Spryzen wins. Kids, ow! Spryzen! God! He hit me. He hit me. Okay, let's do another battle, cause I like doing this. Okay. So Spryzen has 2. Blizzard is losing. So I've never seen. Oh my gosh! Blizzard won. Blizzard won. Okay. 3, 2, 1. You just got tilted. Come on! And Spryzen wins. Let me put it more to the light. Okay. Okay, that was a good match. We're doing good so far. Wow, Blizzard just got in there, and he's just an awesome Beyblade. Yeah. I suggest you buy this because it's awesome. I just put this medal on here because it was better for him. Okay. Looks like Spryzen's overpowering Blizzard. And Blizzard bursts. Okay, so I'm gonna make an adjustment to Blizzard, and we're gonna see if he can beat Spryzen. Bam! I put that on the bottom. So now let's try, cause yeah, that's perfect. Well, it did good. It was a good match. Now let's try with the green tip. Okay, so it did good, but let's try it again. like a battle for like. Okay, the battle was excellent, and I'll see you guys next time on Beyblade versus.